to Westerham Brewery. The Westerham Brewery Company in Kent opened in 2004 to produce quality craft beers for the local market. Let's go in. They use the local water that flows north of Westerham, hops sourced from Kent, and the same yeast strains and recipes that were in use during the Second World War. Most of their brightly coloured products are on display in their shop. I visited for lunch. I really liked the large Spitfire drawing on the wall and the way the brewery was lit up with purple lights. During World War II, the Spitfires often carried Westerham beer stored in extra fuel tanks to the British soldiers in France. Guided tours of the brewery are provided every Saturday morning. Many beers are available on tap, and these are all listed on their menu. I was here to try their food though. The type of food being sold changes each day. On most days of the week, a food truck parks outside to provide the catering. Saturday was fried chicken sandwich day. The buttermilk fried chicken smelled delicious, and there was a generous serving of fries.
These are really good.
My dad ordered a spicy Korean sando, and I ordered the Kiev, which came with a garlic dressing.
It's a big burger. It has different flavors of lettuce. And the fried chicken is really crispy. Really good.
My dad's chicken had a spicy kimchi slaw topping. Both sandos were very filling.
This burger is gigantic.
I really liked the taste of the chicken.
They've got big chunks of chicken. The chicken is very crispy.
Amazingly, we both managed to empty our plates. I needed something to remove the garlic aftertaste and decided to have a Taywell ice cream. I chose one of my favorite flavors.
A salted caramel.
It was very tasty.
Really, really good. Try some.
My dad ordered a homemade chocolate brownie with nuts in it. He let me try a piece.
Oh, the chocolate's really soft.
This brewery was a cool place to visit for a quick Saturday lunch, and I really enjoyed my fried chicken sandwich.
The meal really filled me up, and the ice cream was really good. Salted caramel was really refreshing after that juicy chicken.
If you like this video, please subscribe down below.